You're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD off-road 4x4 with a 5-foot bed with a 3.5-liter Atkinson cycle V6, 6-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel demand, part-time 4x4 system with 2-speed electronic controlled transfer case, off-road tuned suspension with Bilstein shocks, electronic controlled locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control, hill start assist control, towing receiver hitch, engine oil cooler, trailer sway control. Safety features include Toyota Safety Sense, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic high beam headlights, star safety system, connected services capable. Features include power driver seat, 8-inch infotainment touchscreen with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth audio, rear view camera, dual climate control, power windows and locks, power rear window, keyless entry, smart key system. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana